6 Best Ways to Make Money from Home. We are in the age of social media and the internet. Now, more than ever, it has become easy for people to make money from their couch. Online jobs are becoming more and more common. Whether you are a busy parent, a stay-at-home parent, or even a college student, everyone can make money online. Just imagine sitting at home and making enough money to pay all your bills. Today, we will discuss some of the best ways to make money from home. So, let's get started. Number 6. Shop like normal using Rakuten and earn cash back. The Rakuten is one of the best online shopping marketplaces. Since its launched on May 1st, 1997, it has become one of the largest internet marketing companies in the world. Rakuten is where one can get cash back at over 2,500 stores for shopping. Rakuten receives a commission from these stores for sending you their way. This company, in turn, shares that commission with you as cash back. You can shop like normal from your favorite stores and get a cash back after an eligible purchase. You can handle all the shopping and cash back from your home with your smartphone. Rakuten also offers a referral program incentive that you can turn into cash or gift cards. Number 5. Rent out your free space with your Airbnb. Airbnb stands for Air, Bed, and Breakfast. It is an online community marketplace that connects people who are looking for accommodations with people who want to rent their home, spare bedrooms, or even more retro-looking spaces. Airbnb takes between 6% to 12% commission from guests and 3% from hosts for every booking. It makes your room or home secure and simple to host travelers. They cover every booking with a $1 million insurance policy in case of any property damage for the property owner. Some Airbnb hosts have reported clear over 6-figure incomes using this platform and never have to leave the comfort of their room. Number 4. Rent your car using apps like Turo and Get Around. Apps like Turo and Get Around are car-sharing marketplaces where one can book any car of his choice. This car can be from local hosts or the global community. It's simple to start making money from almost any vehicle sitting in your driveway. Sign up online is easy. Once you've posted your car on these platforms, someone can request for your car. You'll be notified, and just like that, you can begin earning money from home. Some users have reported earning $30,000 to $40,000 plus per year by simply renting out their unused cars. Before renting from the marketplace, all drivers and owners get validated. This can be a perfect way to make money from your home. Number 3. Get paid to scan your shopping receipts with Fetch Awards. Fetch Award is a mobile app through which one can get rewards just for scanning one's grocery receipts. You get rewards no matter where you have shopped. It could be a warehouse club, grocery stores, drugstore, convenience stores, and liquor stores. Fetch Awards will give you 25 points per receipt, even if you buy only one item. Until now, 161 million receipts are scanned by its users. You can turn those points into Visa gift cards and more. Number 2. Invest with as little as $5 using apps like Stash, Cashapp, or Robinhood. You can invest money with various apps such as Stash, Cashapp, or Robinhood with as little as $5. Stash is an investment app that is excellent for those who are interested in micro-investing and for beginners. It provides you every detail related to the stock. Another great option for investors is Robinhood. It is super friendly to investors and has an excellent funding process. With Cash App's new stocks feature you can invest with as little as $1. Number 1. Turn your skills into cash with Fiverr. Fiverr is an online marketplace that connects sellers and buyers. It is the world's largest marketplace for digital services. Only registered users can sell and buy on Fiverr. A service provided by Fiverr is called a gig. You can make money on Fiverr by providing various services, such as voice acting, logo design, Google AdWords, video creation, social media marketing, and much more. Some gigs are as simple as sing happy birthday. Millions of people sell and buy services on Fiverr daily. You can make thousands of dollars on Fiverr by offering your skills and services. Some pro hosts report earning over 6 figures, but on average, most earn about $500 plus per month. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. This helps us create more trendy content for you. We release new videos weekly.